Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook account to your Wix website. Okay, so let's begin. So first you may wanna uh, rename this section. So you just got to click change text. Okay, and let's say you're going to change it change it to uh, you say my Facebook. Okay, so click enter. Okay, so it's changed right here. So next thing that you will do is to click this button right here. So it says linked. Just click it. Okay, so go to your Facebook account. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, and if you want to directly locate your Facebook profile, so just click no, just highlight this section, hit copy, and then paste it to this section. Okay, and hit done. As you can see, um, your Facebook profile has been linked to this button. So let's see if that worked. Let's hit preview. Okay, so let's try hitting this button. Boom. Okay, so the button works. So it automatically brought you to my profile uh, profile in my Facebook profile. Okay, so that is how you're going to add your Facebook account to the Wix editor. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you very much.